Let's set up control of ExpertSDR3 from the N1MM program. Launch the latest version of ExpertSDR3. In the Device Manager window that opens, click the Start button to launch an ExpertSDR3 instance for the selected device. After the main interface loads, click the Start button in the upper left corner to activate Receive Mode. Go to the bottom status panel to enable the required interfaces. Left-click the TCI indicator to start the server. Then click the eSync indicator. It will turn orange while waiting for a connection. Activate the sound card by clicking the headphones icon and selecting input and output drivers for your audio devices. To establish a communication channel between Radio Sync and N1MM, use the COM0 utility or a similar virtual COM port emulator. After launching the program, click the Add Pair button to create a virtual COM port pair. Assign names to the created pair, for example, COM4 and COM5. Click Apply to save the changes. Next, launch Radio Sync, a utility designed to synchronize ExpertSDR3 with third-party software that does not support TCI. In the window that opens, add a new connection by clicking the plus sign in the lower right corner. Enter a name for the new connection in the top field. In this block's settings, specify the IP address and port of the TCI server configured in ExpertSDR3. On the right side, select the first COM port from the pair created in COM0 and configure the COM port lines. In the PTT drop-down menu, select DTR to activate transmit mode. In the Kia menu, set RTS for CW mode. Also, in the Radio Sync sound card module, assign physical playback and recording devices to the TX and RX channels respectively. After making the changes, enable the sync pair toggle switch and verify that the indicators turn green, confirming a successful connection. The final step is performed in N1MM. Launch the program. From the Config menu, go to Configure Ports, Mode Control, Winky, etc. and stay on the first tab, Hardware. In the port list, select the second port of the previously created pair. In the radio column, set the device type to ExpertSDR and be sure to check the CW box to enable CW mode support. In the Details column, you can click the Set button for more detailed configuration. A hint at the bottom of the window shows the recommended settings for proper operation. After saving the settings by clicking OK, the system will be ready for use. Remote control setup of the radio via N1MM is now complete. You can test the connection, for example, by changing the frequency in the ExpertSDR3 window. The same change should occur synchronously in the N1MM interface. Reverse synchronization also works correctly. When parameters are changed in the N1MM interface, the corresponding changes appear instantly in the ExpertSDR3 window. To ensure automatic startup of applications together with ExpertSDR3, configure the Autostart feature. We'll set up Autostart using Radio Sync as an example. In the main ExpertSDR3 window, open the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon and go to the Autostart section. This section allows you to specify third-party applications that will launch automatically after ExpertSDR3 starts. To add an application, enter the full path to its executable file in the Application File Path field and enable the corresponding option. When shutting down the software suite, close the applications in the following order to properly save Autostart settings. N1MM, then ExpertSDR3, then Radio Sync and all other programs. Let's verify whether Radio Sync starts together with ExpertSDR3. To do this, restart ExpertSDR3. Autostart works successfully.